Hi, guessers. Types of cooking fishes: tuna, trout, prawns, tilapia, swordfish, anchovies, halibut, crab, cod, orange roughy, mackerel, perch, bluefin tuna, sardines, shark, Hilsa, Pollock, sea bream, snapper, Atlantic mackerel, bass, herring, rohu, Arctic char. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.